This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, we'll start. So, in the last class, I told you about the color theory. So, I will tell you in this class color theory. So, only because it's a vector-based software we are using here. So, for that, we need to know some few color theories too, because we'll be creating some logos and posters, brochures, billboards, business cards, and some more. So, for that, we need to learn some color theories here. So, firstly, I hope everyone knows that in the colors we have types like primary, secondary, tertiary colors. So, I hope everyone knows that primary colors and secondary colors and tertiary colors. So, again, I'll tell you primary colors are yellow, red, and blue, and secondary colors are orange, violet, and green, and tertiary colors are yellow, orange, red, orange, and red, violet, blue, violet, and blue, green, yellow, green are the tertiary colors. So these are the tertiary colors, and primary, secondary, and tertiary we have. And in that also, actually, it is divided into like hue, intensity, and value, complementary, and you know, complementary, split complementary, trait, tetrad, and monochromatic, analogous, like that. It are divided. Those colors are divided, and you know what? In that also, we'll be getting so many other types. Only we'll be mixing colors and we'll be giving here. So relevant colors. So there is no mandatory for logos or anything like that to put only these kind of color or that kind of a colors. So we don't have any mandatories like in that also we have mm, So we have a color type like cool colors and bold colors. So where bold colors, where I can give an example like red. Red is a bold color where it suits or it tells about the fiery things, fiery. So like cold colors, like cool colors are blue, white, purple, cyan, like that. So where it tells the cool mindset. Green, blue, indigo, and violets are the cool colors, and the warm colors are, I told you red, yellow, orange, gold, creamy, brown, tan, like that, something like that. So it all suits in warm color, where bold colors we say officially. So those are all considered like that. So there is no mandatory, so you can mix any colors and you can apply it. So but any logo, if you are applying colors, that should match to that logo. And some few logos are represented based on the colors only, and some are represented with numbers, alphabetics, and some are stuck with astrology things. And here I'll be teaching you, the first thing is BMW logo, how to create a BMW logo. So I'll tell you how to create now that. And after that, we'll be doing Instagram logo. So let's do that. Let me share the screen with you now. We'll open the software now. CorelDRAW software. Okay, here take the new document, you'll get the panel like that, this, and here you need to create. So in the last class how I told to create, so same way you have to create now. Here you can set the size also and the height and width. If you're not going with the size, you can set manually with the height and width of the page here. And you can set the orientations also and number of pages, how much ever you want, you can that much pages. And the color mode should be CMYK here. And the DPI should be 300 here. When it's going for printing, so everything will be cut it off. So it should be within this measurement only, within this page only. It should not go out of this box. Sorry guys, some network problem, technical issues. So it's getting late. So can you see this BMW logo? So it's full of color theory where it has taken white and blue. So it means where white and blue are the color of the state of Bavaria in Germany. Where the BMW, it is it is from Germany only, so that's why the color states here mainly. BMW is stating a color here, and some few logos will be stating their symbols and numbers, alphabetics. I told you here it is stating the color. So we'll do the BMW logo now. I'll show you how to create this. The Corel Draw. Just take a elliptical tool now. Take a elliptical and just drag it. Drag it, and if you want the perfect circle means you need to hold control. Then only you'll get the perfect circle. Hold control and put it in the center. You'll get the guidelines, and I told you if you're not getting any guidelines here, if you're not getting any guidelines, if you're not getting any guidelines here means you need to go to view, and there you'll be having guidelines option. In the view tab, view menu, you can just use that guideline option. There you can access that option. Here you have taken this circle, so in that you can see here it has a stroke, it has a stroke outline, and you need to give the outline now. So here the outline is gray, so you can give the gray, or it is in a gradient shade, and further in the classes I can show you the gradient. So now it's in gray, so we'll take the gray stroke, light gray. And if you want to put the stroke means here you need to right click on the color, then only you can able to apply the color there. And if you want to increase, select the object, just give the color gray. And if you want to increase the stroke size, here you will get the pen symbol where outline width it is called. So just click on the drop button, increase the size. So here I'll give that around 16. So here what I'll do, the fill color is in black, so let me just fill. If I want to fill means left click on that particular color, it'll fill. So now I'll just duplicate it, control D for duplicate. I'll reduce size, take this and I'll put it in the center now. So here I'll just reduce the size of it. I'll give around 10 here. The other circle stroke I'll give around 10, and after that we have a colors here, color to apply like this. So I have taken the circle here. Here the stroke is really very small, so let me just take the stroke size as around 3. Okay, I'll give it around 4. The stroke very less there. So that's why I have taken here 4. So here just duplicate this, take this, select this and just duplicate it. You'll get the other circle. Here what you need to do is, here just select that particular circle which you have taken. Here you have the option in the property bar, you have the option in that go to pie option, and after that pie option, here go to the change direction option. Select that change direction option. You'll get the shape like this. So just give the white color, and here the stroke is in black color. Just give the stroke as black. So I can show you here again. Here the shape stroke as in are in black color, but the circle is in gray color. So here you have taken the color, just you need to arrange it. And before arranging, you need to increase the size of this. Increase a little, around. Okay, after that, after arranging everything, you can just increase the size of it. First you arrange everything. First you arrange shape. Select the shape, need to arrange it. Okay. Now you just need to select again that circle, or else you can go with the option like you need to duplicate this. So if you have duplicated this, just go to the shape, arrange it properly, and here you have option mirror horizontally and mirror vertically. You have here, you can just do that, mirror horizontally. After that you can apply. So you can apply the color like this. After applying it, you can just increase the size of it around, yes. And now again select this object and duplicate it, control D, and again you need to arrange it here like this. Go to the same arrangement and you need to arrange it properly according to that line. And now give mirror vertically, arrange it now. You can arrange that shape with the, you know, you can just arrange that shape with the this arrows also. And here you can give the stroke to get to know about that. To arrange that, you can apply the other stroke, and you can just correctly arrange that. And now select this shape, give the And now just take this shape, duplicate it, Control D, and arrange it according to it. And here you need to do mirror horizontally, vertically to arrange it properly. And now you can fill the color. See here the color is in the color is in cyan, so we'll give the cyan color here. Select the shape, give the cyan color, and now the logo is like this. Logo looks like this after completing everything. And you need to give the text now. The text, if you see the text there, their text has, see the text here, it's all rotated now. So you can also do that. Take the text, just click here and hold shift and take B there. And now increase the size, go to the corners and just drag. You can increase the size of the text. And now change the font style now. So we can use this font, select font. And now the fill color of the text is in the white color. Just give the white color and take the text here, reduce the size, take the text here and click again on that top of the text. You'll get this symbol, and I told you how to take this. If you double click, you'll get this. Excuse me. So here go to the corners and just rotate the letter. Now click again, you'll get this symbol. Arrange it now. If you click again, you'll get this rotations. Again, you can rotate it however you want. And now just take the text tool again, click again, and here take M and increase the size and give the font style. Fill the color as white. Take the pick tool, take the text and reduce the size of it, and take the same font sizes. Have taken 121. Let me just take 120. Same font size here, 120. Take that font, arrange it here. Still more we need to reduce it, so we'll reduce around 100 only. Yes, it's better. Give around 100. Now it should be in the middle of this line, the M. And if you see here, it's in the middle of this shape. So take this shape, put it in the middle of this shape, but you need to rotate it. Rotate it like this. Click again, arrange it, in the middle of that shape. Click again and rotation. You need to do the rotation part. And after this, you should give other text, other letter W, and it should be around 100. Take the pick tool and first give the text color. Take the pick tool, text color should be in the white. I told you it should be around 100. Now need to rotate this. Click again on this text and arrange it properly. So now you can see the BMW logo. See the logo here and the logo here. But you need to group it here. Control G for grouping. And if you want to give the shadow to this, means here you have the option drop shadow tool. So just take that and drag it like this. Now it looks, or else if you want that below means so now looks like this. You can give the shadow however you want. Select everything, just group it now. Control G for grouping. I hope everyone got this. And if you see here, it will show the symbol also here. And for now we are completed with the BMW logo, so we can just do the some other logo. So now we'll start off with the Instagram logo, guys. So we are done with the BMW. I'll show you how to create Instagram logo. I'll show you how the Instagram logo is. So here you can see the logo of the Instagram. So we'll create it now. So here, if you want to create Instagram, here you need to take a rectangular tool and just drag it, and in the property bar you have the options here. So by using that option you can create it. So here go to the round corner option and give all the side as one, and you need to open this log. And in the last class only I told you, if you have locked the property bar here, means if you have given one measurement to the one corner, so it will be taking to the all the corners here. So you should open the lock, then you should give the numbers here. Give the number as 1. So you can see the adjustments here. Give the 1, press enter. You will get the shape like this. And here if you see the Instagram logo, see see the Instagram, it has no stroke for it. So just take the shape, and for this shape we need to give some colors here. So if I want to give some color, select the shape, and the color are here. They have taken multi colors here. If you see the multi colors they have taken. So if I want to take the multi colors, we need to use the gradient tool. So here I have, so interactive fill tool. Just take that tool and drag it like this. Drag it like this. So if you drag, you'll get the color like this, and here you can give the other colors. Here I'll be giving the color. If you double click there, so here if you drag the if you drag it, you'll get the colors like this, two colors. In that, if you want to apply color, you need to double click on that color. You'll get the draw button like this. So if you click on the draw button, you'll get the color panel like this, MYK color panel. There you can select the color. So go to the color, particular color, and give the color. Here I'm giving this color, and at the end, if you double click the end, I'm giving in the end I'm giving this color. So between that I have many colors, 3 colors are there. If I double click, I'll get the colors like this. So now I can give the color now. If you go there, if you see here, you have the blue color, pink and red and orange. So now give the double click here, and if you want to remove that, you can just double click, it will remove. You need to arrange accordingly there. Move the colors like this, color tags. You can move the color tags like this. Now select this color, click on the drop button, and now I'm giving the blue color. And if you click on this color, you can give the and here you can give the pink. And if you click on this, you'll be getting the red color. And here you can set the color is very less here. And if you see here, they have taken the pinkish like here. And you can reduce the transparency also here. And here, if you click on that particular color, you'll get the transparency icon here. If you increase the transparency, you can reduce the transparency of that color also. Can you see the transparency now? The changes of transparency. So you can reduce the transparency of that colors like this. Just double click it. So here somehow you can create it like this in the at the end. So it's dark in color. And after that you can arrange it however you want. Arrange it properly. The arranging only take so much time. And now you need to remove the stroke. Select the object and click on that into button. Right click on that button. So you'll be removing the removing the stroke for it. So now what you need to do is increase the size and now duplicate it. Control D for duplicating and reduce the size and arrange in the center like that. And here you should remove the fill color and you should give the outline color as white and right click on that white color. You'll get the outline like this and remove the fill color. So left click on that into button, you will remove that and you need to increase the stroke now. If you want to increase the stroke means I told you should go to that pen symbol so you can increase the stroke size. So now after increasing this, you need to give the circle now. So take the circle, hold control to get perfect circle and now take that circle and put it in the center. Reduce the size of that circle and put it in the center. And increase the color the stroke there, white color, and increase the stroke here around. See the stroke here. They have increased equally. Let me check the stroke size of this. So it is around 10 point. So for this also we'll be giving 10 points. So still more you can increase the not font, stroke size. So give the 16 points to the stroke and for this also give 16. And now take the circle and duplicate it. Control D for duplicating it and reduce the size of it. Put it here. Reduce the size of it. Arrange it and fill the color as white here. And for this you can give the stroke as like this. Only you need to just fill the color like this. Can you see the logo here? The same thing we did here. So still more, if you want to increase the point, you can increase it. Still more, if you want to increase, you can increase it. It looks like this. So here you need to reduce the size of it little and arrange it. You can use the array for arranging. You can use the arrows in your keyboard for arranging and all. And after that, just duplicate, select everything, and Control G for grouping. Control G for grouping now, and reduce the size little bit here, and give the name for it. Give the name for it. Take the text tool and click here. Give the name as Instagram. Increase the text and check out with the, take the text here, put it here, and check out with the font. See the font style, text style, text style of that. You need to search the same font style and then you should give. Partially it is matching, partially not exact one. Still you need to search for it. So we can arrange this one for this because time is running. So we can just give this. If you want to upload a shadow to this logo, means I told you already. If you want to apply a shadow, select this. After grouping, you need to select this option. Select this option. Go to this drop shadow tool. Take that tool and drag it like this. See, if you drag there, it looks like 3D. If you give a drop shadow only, it looks like 3D. It looks like 3D like this. So here in this way you can give or else like this. However you want you can give, and you can give the drop shadow to the text also, not only for the shapes or logos. See, I'm selecting the text now. I'm going to drop shadow and give the drop shadow. Just drag it like this. If you're dragging below there, so it will be applied like this. And if you want to give the shadow like this, you can give the shadow like this for the text. Take that uh, text and arrange it like this. See, however you want you can give in that manner. See, this is how you can upload a, and if you move, it'll also, the shadow will also move. So no need to give again and again for the shadow to the text here. If you are moving along with that shape or along with that text only, it will also move. See, it will also move. This is how you can give. And after doing everything, just select everything. Select everything after giving, applying, creating the text or text art, everything. Select the whole thing and just group. Control G for grouping. These two are the main things we did today. How to take the shape and how to apply like this. With a circle, how to take this, excuse me, arc like this, and the Instagram. And in that Instagram, we thought today gradients and all, and the drop shadow also, and the text also. Whichever the text you are taking, remember it should match to the, at least it should match to the original text. So that's how you should take. And here we'll do the other work now. So after this logo, we can just do the other work like mm, I'll show you mandala art, how to create that mandala art now. So I already shown that mandala art. Again, I'll show you how to create that mandala art. Before that, I'll just show here. Can you see here? These are the mandala arts we call. So like this and this. So you can create the mandala art like this. And you know, sometimes in Sometimes in Instagram we'll be getting the contest for mandala arting also. So some fests or some occasions will be getting that contest. So you can participate in that contest also if you know how to do mandala art, means how to create that. So now I'll show you. So just take the elliptical tool now, ellipse tool, drag it like this. Just drag it, and if you want the perfect circle, I told you, hold the control and drag.